Hi everybody, this is my second video on Camtasia 2022 and the cursor tool. Here we go. So I have a rather jagged pathway that I've used here in Camtasia in order to, well, to demonstrate this program that I'm using. So if we look at the cursor path, here's my path down here, and I have this, this is the cursor path right here with all these dots, okay? And if we move the timeline, you'll see how the cursor is going crazy. Get all the way over there. Well, that's just, sloppy. So to smooth this out, I am going to fix it. So there's the path. I've highlighted it, and you can see all the different places where it is. And what I do is I take this and I click on these points, okay, and I delete them. I know, isn't that cool? So I delete them. So I click on the ones I don't like, and I just press delete. Okay. I wonder if I can press shift and select a few of them. Nope, I can't, but that's right. I'm going to delete one at a time. I might be able to do it down here, but for this demonstration, I'm just thrilled with this part. So I'm going to keep on deleting here. I don't want to delete the whole thing, although, you know what, I could. My other video, which I will post probably up there, I'll post a link, just shows how to create a new pathway completely. And you don't have to do any of this stuff. Okay, so now that I've deleted most of these, I'm going to take this, just move it over to here, get rid of that one. Okay, see, I'll just go straight over to finish editing. And let's see what that looks like. Let's mouse it. I'm going to get a little confused and make my mouse move around. Start from there, and then go straight over to there. Make some adjustments to change things. That's pretty darn cool, I gotta say. So that's today's Camtasia 2022 cursor path. Editing the cursor path. More to come. Stay tuned. Subscribe and like. Thanks.